Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Alice Punia, consultant endodontist and cosmetic dentist serving at Dr. Sachin Mittal's Advanced Dentistry. So many of the times I have encountered a common question from my patients, that is, how does this cavity occur and what are the causes of it? How can we get rid of this, doctor? So here we are answering all these questions in this video, but then before that we have to go little bit back to our basics, that is something about tooth. The tooth has two components, that is the one is crown, the other one is root. Crown portion is that जो मसूड़ों के ऊपर हमारे दिखता है वो उसे crown portion बोलते हैं, and the root portion is which is embedded inside the bone, that is जो मसूड़ों के नीचे वाला भाग है जो हड्डी में जुड़ा होता है उसे जड़ या रूट बोलते हैं. Now this crown portion has 3 layers. The outermost layer is enamel. This is the most strongest layer and it saves us and our tooth from the sensitivity towards hot and cold. So the number 1 layer is enamel. The second layer, the inner layer, is dentine. The dentine is slightly yellowish in color. So below dentine there is pulp. So now what we have is 3 layers, that is enamel, dentine and pulp. Now what happens is when we have anything like cereals or sugary products such as cookies, or there is something like candies, toffees. So whenever we have that and we are not going for a night brushing or rinsing, so what happens is this stick down to the tooth surface overnight. Now this all night procedure, what leads to is microbial accumulation. Now what is microbial accumulation? Basically wherever the food particles are present, there accumulates the bacteria, the fungi, all the other germs. So now when they present there, so they attack the tooth surface, and which leads to the decay of the tooth. Now how can we judge that there is a decay? So there are 2 methods to it. The number 1 being through visual, that is there will be a black discoloration. Most of the patients say डॉक्टर साहब यहाँ पे काला सा या भूरे रंग का कुछ कीड़ा लगा हुआ है. Exactly, that is the carious portion of the tooth. That is the decay portion of the tooth. Number 2 through which we can identify is X-rays. Now you have to visit your dentist to get those X-rays done. So there are 2 methods to it, the number 1 being the visual and the second being the X-rays. So what is the treatment option for it? If the carious portion is including the enamel or enamel and dentine, that is if the decay has reached down to the first layer or it has reached down the first and second layer, अगर इसने दोनों भागों को involve कर लिया है, that means we can go for restoration. Restoration is also known as filling in layman terms. तो हम filling तक सीमित रह सकते हैं अगर हमारी दांत की सिर्फ 2 लेयर्स ही इन्वॉल्व हुई हैं तो. बट अगर कीड़े ने नस तक पहुंच चुका है, दैट इज इफ इट हैज इन्वॉल्व द थर्ड पोर्शन, दैट इज द पल्प ऑफ द टूथ, सो दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू गो फॉर RCT, दैट इज द रूट कनाल थेरेपी or root canal treatment, which is the most common treatment procedure going on nowadays. So how can we prevent it? Like obviously patients have concern that we want to get rid of this, but then once it occurs, there is no method to get rid of it without visiting a dentist or getting your treatment done. But then you can always prevent it to get accumulate in your tooth. So how can we do that? That is, we need to go for the regular checkups. We need to have lesser of the sugary diets, especially the fermentable carbohydrates such as the cookies and the cakes, cheesecakes. These we have to go for a little bit lesser. More than candies and toffees, these are the reason for the caries and the decay of the tooth. So we have to get rid of it. Even if we are engulfing it, there is no problem to it, but then you have to rinse your mouth again and again. Like just after having it, you have to rinse your mouth twice or thrice. The third being, what we can do is we can use brush and floss. First, we have to brush the teeth and followed by the flossing of the teeth. Now, when you're doing the brushing, the fluoride content in the toothpaste helps to get rid of the carious portion of the tooth. So, overnight, after overnight eating, the night brushing is very important, plus morning brushing. So, you have to brush twice a day. Secondly, we have to get the regular visits to the dentist. And then the third, the foremost important is the water content. You have to engulf water, at least 6 glasses of water a day. Water engulfing is not only advantageous for your overall health, but it also leads to the better dental health. So visit your dentist twice a year, and if there is any problem, have a word wisely and openly. Talk about it. What are your problems? What are the concerns with your dentist, and ask them the causes and the prevention, how to get rid of these causes. If there is any query regarding this video or something else, you can ask us in the comment section and we'll give you the reply. Thank you for your patient hearing. Thank you.